Hello, this is Professor Sanjeev Gupta. Once again, I am with you. That is lecture number 5. And today's topic, apart from boundary layer, we add another topic that is compressible fluid flow. Today we are going to cover introduction of compressible fluid flow, basic equation of compressible flow, and relations of the thermodynamic relations. This is one of the most important topic of fluid mechanics. The compressible fluid flow. There are two types of fluids, compressible and incompressible. Compressible, that is, density does not change, that is incompressible means density, if the density constant, that is the incompressible fluid, and if density varies, that is the compressible fluid. Most of the liquids are called incompressible, like water, one of the best example for incompressible fluid. Generally, all the gases are called the decompressible fluid flow. Gas dynamic is the discipline that studies the flow of compressible fluid and form an important branch of fluid mechanics. In the case of an incompressible fluid flow, the basic equations which are we studying, that is continuity equation, Bernoulli equation and impulse momentum equation. ये सारे इक्वेशन is true for incompressible fluid flow, but in the case of gases such as compressor, airplanes or nozzles, if they are working at high velocities, then density of fluid changes during the flow. If the density changes, यदि density में कोई परिवर्तन आएगा, यदि आता है तो प्रेशर और टेम्परेचर बोथ आर चेंजेस. ये प्रेशर और टेम्परेचर दोनों में चेंजेस आते हैं, then the behavior is like thermodynamic, and thermodynamic behavior of the fluid will takes into account. In the previous slides we have seen the basic equation for incompressible. Here we are going to use the compressible, the basic equation for compressible flow, that equation of state, continuity equation, Bernoulli equation or energy equation, and that is momentum equation. First we are going to discuss about the equation of state. Yet pressure, temperature, specific volume of the gases have the relationship between, then the equation is called equation of state. That is, equation of state is defined as the equation which gives the relationship between pressure, temperature and specific volume of gas. We know that the perfect gas equation, that PV is equal to RT. PV is equal to RT, where P pressure, V that is specific volume, R that is called gas constant, and T that is temperature. We know that specific volume is the reciprocal of density, that is V inversely proportional to 1 upon rho. कुछ बुकों में स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम को डिनोट किया उल्टे ए से, दैट इज स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम इक्वल टू 1 upon rho. The value of R, that is called gas constant, 287 joule per kg Kelvin for air, and R naught, which is called universal gas constant, have the value 8314 joule per kg Kelvin. If the molecular weight of oxygen, that air, 28.16, putting the value of R naught and M, we find the value of 287 joule per kg Kelvin in the case of air. Already in the introduction of the compressible fluid flow, I said that if the pressure and temperature both are changes, the thermodynamic behavior relations come into account. Pressure and temperature due to changes of density occurs only in the process of isothermal process and adiabatic process. We are not going to discuss about the constant pressure process and constant volume process. Isothermal process, which obeys the Boyle's law, according to which temperature is constant, that is PV equal to constant. We can also be write P upon rho equal to constant in the form of density, because we are going to discuss about the compressible flow. Compressible flow means density does not constant. Adiabatic process say if the compression and expansion of gas it neither gives heat, not take into heat, neither gives heat or not takes heat from the surrounding. That is the adiabatic process. Adiabatic process P into ulta a की power k, that is constant, that k that is the ratio of specific heat at constant pressure to specific heat at constant volume, that is Cp upon Cv. Cp that is specific heat at constant pressure and Cv that is specific heat at constant volume equal to 1.4 for in the case of air. The relation can also be written as P upon rho power k equal to constant in the form of density. If the adiabatic process is reversible means that is frictionless. It is known as isentropic process. And if pressure density are related in such a way that K is not equal to Cp upon Cv but equal to some positive value, this is known as polytropic process, according to which in the case of K we put the value of N that is also called the ratio N not equal to K but have some positive constant. Continuity equation, which is based on the law of conservation, which states that the matter cannot create nor destroy it. That is rho AB equal to constant. Rho that is density, A that is area of cross section, V that is volume. That is differentiating above equation, then D rho AB equal to 0. That is partial differential equation rho A dV plus rho into rho V into dA plus AB into d rho equal to 0. Dividing the above equation by rho AB, we get dV upon V plus dA upon A plus d rho upon rho equal to 0. This equation is called continuity equation in the form of differential. Now the Bernoulli equation. In the compressible flow day, we have already discussed about the Bernoulli equation. In dynamic flow, we derive the Bernoulli equation for the streamlines. But in the case of compressible flow day, we are going to use the Euler's equation, which is given as dP upon rho plus V dV plus G into dz equal to 0. Integrating the above equation, we find the integration of dP upon rho plus integration of V into dV plus G into dz equal to constant, or dP upon rho plus V square upon 2 plus Gz equal to constant. The integration of dP upon rho, here the value of dP upon rho, we are not going to have outside of integration because density is not constant in the case of compressible fluid flow. In the case of incompressible, rho is constant. Hence, this value becomes dP upon rho is equal to P upon rho in the case of incompressible fluid flow. Hence, rho cannot be taken outside the integration. The Bernoulli equation will be different for isothermal and adiabatic process. So, in my next lecture, I will discuss about the Bernoulli equation for isothermal process and adiabatic process. And also, we discuss about the numerical based on the isothermal and adiabatic process with the help of Bernoulli equation. Thank you. Have a nice day.